In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit existing images using Midjourney. Now, this is not going to be perfect, and the way you can make it better is to have a ton of images of that certain thing. But let's say we want to take this image here and we want to edit it. What we can do is we can copy the link to this, and if you want to copy the link to your image, you can click and drag it into here and send it to the bot, and then you will be able to get the link from that. So right click, copy link. Now we can do /imagine, enter. We can paste the link in here, and now we can imagine it how I want to. So I'm going to continue putting this prompt in here, which is the one we got it for, and then I'm going to add a few bits at the front of it. So I'm going to say with glasses. And now what this is going to do is going to take the original image. Apparently my link's not right, I must have done it wrong. It's going to take the original image and it's going to transform it and add whatever you said to add to it. And we would, if I put the link in right, got this with glasses on. And that's how you do it. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.